Squid Game. This player is called, this player is 265, player 174, player 101, and 456. I'm gonna push you all. What 101 says. Once 165 doesn't have time to react. 174 reacted before 165 fell off and screamed to death. Ah! Wah! 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 174 and 265 eliminated. Okay, well, this dude is dead. This dude is alive. Player 174 eliminated. He screamed and then he accepted his fate. There is only 101 and 456. 456, what have you done? You killed those innocent person. So who cares? I need this money, so I'm gonna kill you. Okay, you get it? Huh? I think you cannot kill me. Haha, you're just scared because I'm gonna kill you. Hiya! Whoa! Whoa. Backflip to. Oh. What kind of skill is that, bro? What kind of skill was that? For that, what 101 says. 456. Hey, it's none of your business now. It's called revenge mode. Oh, I see, huh? But you cannot do this. Kata! Who cares, bro? Oh! I didn't mean to! Oh my god, I accidentally pushed you 101. 456, you killed us all! Even though you tried to kill me, you still fought. 456. Eliminate. Player 456 eliminated. Player 101 is the winner. Wait. Kill 101. He still falls. It means he still lost though. Sorry, 101. You're about to win. But the only problem is you failed. So what is your last words before you die? If only I just dodged that. And okay, now we need to do is to abandon this place. And let's see these people die. Okay. Okay. This is called the Squid Game, basically. Squid Game. So thanks for watching the Squid Game, blah blah blah. I forgot. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna make one much better later, probably, but hopefully you liked it though. So kaboom.